Welcome back. I have a hat because I don't got a haircut. My hair raggedy. Anyway, we out here, CVS Pharmacy. We're gonna do Disposable Camera Challenge. My friend Fabian, who's the cameraman for this video, he brought this idea up to me the other day. He goes, well, why don't you do a Disposable Camera Challenge video? I was like, you know what? Fuck it. Why don't we? So here we are. We got a Fuji. I wanted a Kodak. That's all we got. It is quick snap flash. It actually has 800 speed film in it. Let's see what we get. So I just want to give some first impressions of this very fine piece of electronics we have here. Weighs about 0.3 ounces. Good feel in the hand. About 27 autofocus points. Face detection, all that good stuff. Auto wind. It still works. High quality glass here, as you can tell.
Yeah.
Test the dynamic range. You got shadows light. It said that there was a 20 stop dynamic range, so let's see if that's true. So I think I'm just gonna put my hat backwards. Shout out Ash Ketchum, because it's time to catch them all. You know what I mean. idiot, bro. I had my finger right here. So that picture's gonna have my finger. I had it like halfway through. All of it. So that's it. All 27 photos exposed. We don't say shot or shoot anymore. That's a different topic. All 27 photos on the extremely high-tech Fujifilm Quick Snap 800 ISO speed have been exposed. Although I guess I'll never see how these photos will come out. Disposable cameras are fun and all, but they are quite wasteful because you never get to see your photos, and they're quite bad for the environment. I'd recommend, if it's a event you want to remember, use a real camera. But I don't care if I forget today. Thanks for watching. Let me just get the camera out because I actually do kind of need these photos. I can't be throwing them away.